Okay, we made it all the way to the entrance of the next. No! Yeah, I got rid of the vine, so. All right, this, in theory, this should be easier. This one's it's built and ready to go, but it's going to be a little higher than the other one because it's got 4-foot legs on it. So that part's, it's going to be rubbing in the trees a little more. Ray, bring it down and then I'll slide it back. All right, it was wobbling because I had to add a 2x4 for my short forks. So we pulled that out, now we're golden. 3/4 of a mile minimum to the next spot. All right, so here's the track we're making. We're starting up here at the front campsite and we're gonna take the main road probably close to a mile, if not a full mile, all the way back to this the fourth food plot back off of this main road. So we're going to go all the way down here to the southwest corner, and we're going to head in here and set the blinds. So we're going to just continue on after the trip. There's no sense in prolonging the whole trip out there. So we're going to go past the pond here and take a hard left and get moving on. Okay, we made it all the way to the entrance of the next trail that goes into this plot. So we're going to come in here to plot, and you know, this is one of the ones I built. It's well back off of the road, where if you got hunting partners using the main road, it's not going to be an issue. Not at all. You can see how thick this is back here. And of course they're using these new roads. Got a big watering hole in this one. It's going to have a very pretty view also. I mean, any of them will, but it's going to be nice. Dragging just a little bit there. This is how you do it. And believe me, if it was easy, everyone would have their own private hunting spot way back in the middle of nowhere. Of course, it's not really easy. You could barely see, especially, you know, 12 feet high. Hey, Phil. Let me get up there. Ooh, welcome to your new home. This one has a really big, a nice deep watering hole back in that corner. We're going to put this in the northeast corner over there. We're gonna set it down, reshuffle it, and then we'll check back in, show you where we tucked it in at. All right, so we're gonna tuck it in this little clearing right here. Ladder's gonna be on the back. So the future owner, if they were smart, they'd make a trail, a walking trail from here to the main trail. Which is 50, 60 yards away, something like that, and sneak right in. And there's that big old watering hole, and you got your micro plot here that can obviously be improved, but it's here. That's probably good. Get a little shade on that in the evening. Nice. Let me get rid of this one behind me. All right, here's a view from the new blind. This is a single or a adult and child. Needs a little trim up here, but once again, you feel like you are way in the woods, which you actually are. But so we got it pretty well shaded, or at least for part of the day. New owner can tweak it if he wants. Success though. Let's get a couple of little B-roll at a new blind. So you can see this watering hole is lower substantially, but this is a big one and a deep one. You can see they're hitting it. Nice. All right, one last chore for today. Bringing home the cultipacker. That made all the food plot magic happen. This will be interesting. Oh, geez, my back. All right, I should swing that over and be good to go. Good to go.